Craft. Now we are talking about craft. X-Mix craft, holiday craft, craft with the multiple things recycling. Have you ever noticed how peaceful you feel when you create something with your own hands? Crafting is not only about making beautiful decorations, it can also be a wonderful way to slow down, focus on the present moment, and enjoy a little peaceful time for ourselves. This is where mindfulness comes in. Mindful crafting means giving your full attention to what you are doing. Feeling the materials, enjoy the colors, focusing on each little detail, and letting your mind take a break from everyday worries. Creative activities can help us practice focus, patience, relaxation, and being present in a moment. And today's Xmas craft is more than just a decoration. It comes with a little Xmas story about creativity, love, and the simple joy of making something with our own hands. So let's talk about the story. Once upon a time, in a small and cozy home, Xmas was just around the corner. The Xmas tree was small, and there were only a few decorations around the house. A little girl looked around and thought, "This Xmas, I want to decorate our home with something made by my own hands." She collected a few simple things she already had at home, some old paper ribbons, buttons, jute, laces, and little leftover materials. She sat down and began creating. Slowly, she cut, folded, glued, and decorated each little piece. She did not hurry, she simply enjoyed the moment. With every little detail, she added a smile appeared on her face. And after some time, something beautiful began to appear. It was not expensive, it was not peaceful, but it was made with love. She ran to her mother, and said, "Mom, Xmas is not only about buying new things. Xmas is about love, creativity, and making beautiful memories together." Her mother smiled and replied, "You are right, and this little decoration made by your own hands is the most special decoration in our home. Let's make our Xmas craft. And now let's create something beautiful together." First, let's gather our simple materials. Take your time as you prepare each piece. There is no need to rush. Cut, fold, arrange, and decorate each part slowly. As you work, pay attention to the little details, the texture of the material, the colors, and the feelings of creating something completely from scratch. Now let's add our X-Mix decoration ribbon and little detail to make it even more special. Look how beautifully these simple material and coming together. Something ordinary slowly becoming a beautiful X-Mix decoration, the real beauty of crafting. And now let's create something beautiful together. First, let's gather, and simple materials. Take your time as you prepare each piece. There is no need to rush. Cut, fold, arrange, and decorate each part slowly. As you work, pay attention to the little details, the texture of the materials, the colors, the feelings of creating something completely from scratch. Now let's add our X-Mix decoration ribbon and little detail to make it even more special. Look how beautiful these simple materials are coming together. Something ordinary is slowly becoming a beautiful X-Mix decoration. The real beauty of crafting. I want to tell you about some real beauty of crafting. But you know what makes a craft truly special? It is not only a final result, it's a peaceful time was spent creating it. When we focus on a creative activity, we give ourselves a chance to slow down and enjoy the present moment. A little while we can put our busy thoughts aside and simply enjoy creating. That's one of the beautiful things about mindfulness, being present, enjoy the moment, and appreciating the little things, the final X-Mix moment. And now our X-Mix craft is finally complete. The simple idea, a few old materials, a little creativity, and lots of love. This X-Mix, remember that not everyone beautiful things has to be bought. Sometimes the most meaningful decoration are the ones we create ourselves. So gather your family, enjoy some creative time together, make something beautiful and create memories that will stay in your heart long after Xmas is over. Because Xmas is not just about decorating home, it's about filling that home with love, warmth, creativity and happiness. Hello Crafty, hello everyone, and make your home feel very warm and special. So take care of yourself and your family members. Now we talk about something beautiful and amazing. So viewers, hope you're enjoying this video and these crafty ideas and very beautiful and amazing designs. Thank you, be a part of this journey. We want to show you amazing and beautiful designs. So here are some amazing and beautiful designs are here. When our Xmas craft is finished, we may have a beautiful decoration in our hands, but perhaps we have created something even more valuable, a peaceful moment, a created memory, and time spent being present. So this Xmas, give yourself permission to slow down, but away the rush for a little while, creating something when your hands spend time with people you have. Notice the little things and remember, sometimes the most beautiful Xmas moments are not the ones you buy. They are the moments you slow down and to truly feel happy Xmas, and may your Xmas be filled with peace, creativity and mindfulness. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy Xmas, and thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Keep watching, keep supporting, and don't forget to make this beautiful more and more beautiful things. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care. Wishing you a very happy good day. I wish your home fulfilled with craft, love and happiness, togetherness. So viewers, hope you enjoying this video. These beautiful crafty design made with jute and beautiful multiple things like button. And have you ever watched the pebble ideas on my channel and the creative fabric craft ideas? We gave you many more designs like fabric craft,